Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Keurig Duo Coffee Maker. If you want to reset your Keurig Duo Coffee Maker, then you will need to follow some steps. This is the simple method to do this. First, unplug your brewer for at least 2 to 5 minutes. Like most devices, a Keurig Coffee Maker contains a tiny computer. Power cycling that computer can get rid of any glitches that are causing it to malfunction. So, you just simply unplug your brewer for at least 2 to 5 minutes. After 2 to 5 minutes, you need to plug it back in and see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is fixed, then it is good for you. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.